my countrymen, and hear my native news. Although my song is sorrowful, I hope you'll me excuse. I left my peaceful residence some foreign lands to see. I bade farewell to Donegal, likewise to Glenswilly.